Oh my god, the flies. Oh, I hate it. And it's 5:30 and it's raining. I want to go home. I think I had a good time. Hi friends, so today we are going on a camping trip, but it's a little different than your average Ontario camping trip because we are currently on the beach in Lion's Head and we are going to be taking our canoe out to here and staying the night. We're staying at a campground called Mckay's Harbour.
So Mckay's Harbour is a campsite on the Bruce Trail, and essentially it is a legitimate, completely isolated campsite. There is no electricity, no running water. It is just a designated camping area. There are no fires allowed, so we're bringing our propane camp stove to cook dinner, and essentially the only way to get to this campsite is either by water, which is what we're doing, or you can hike the Bruce Trail.
Our goal is to be out here by dinner time, go for a swim, set up our tent, make some dinner, not get eaten by bears, and make it home. So, we'll see you there. It's the right one. Yeah, it's Mckay's Harbour. Okay. So, yep.
Okay.
First order of business, I will spray your entire body. We made it. I'm excited, it's so cute.
Okay, ready?
There's literally a fire pit right by the no fire sign. Arms out. Turn around. So, we made it. How do you feel?
Fine. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No, and the wind helped us. We were literally getting pushed by the waves the entire canoe ride here. I think we're gonna lug our boat in offshore, fill up our tent with all of our stuff, get our beds made, and go for a swim. You down?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
hot.
We have set up camp and we're taking a little break, but I'm going to give you guys a beautiful room tour of our accommodations tonight. So here's our 5-star cot situation, and then the luxurious bathroom we have right here. It's toilet paper in a Ziploc bag for when we need to go in the bush. It's really hot, and I think we're just gonna go spend the evening in the lake until it's time to eat. So, bye. Yeah, it's like a slide.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
We're making camping hamburger helper, essentially. All of the meat, and there's tomato paste and stock in here with some spices. And essentially I just got to cook this down and add in some more liquid and pasta and cheese at the end, and then we've got our meal. You know what's missing?
Hot sauce?
Onions. Well, and hot sauce too.
Was that a chipmunk?
Hey buddy, you want some hamburger helper? There you go.
Cheers, chef. We brought ourselves some camp suds, which is disposable washing up liquid. You can use it for laundry or dishes or your body and your hair if you want. So dish time, and then we're gonna go for a hike. We made it until almost dark. We've been trying very hard to stay awake so that we don't wake up in the middle of the night.
It's only 9:30, I think.
But it's dark, and that's what matters. So, whoops.
Barely.
Okay.
It's barely dark.
Okay, it's barely dark. But whatever. We're not going to be waking up in the middle of the night. I'm afraid of the dark, so I better not be waking up in the middle of the night. But I think so far we've been pretty successful. And we'll check back with you guys in the morning. Good night. And it's 5:30 and it's raining.
There's a front facing.
And we can't sleep. It's 6 o'clock. It's still raining. We both have to pee. And we can't check the weather app. So we have no idea when we're heading home. We're just gonna wait for the rain to go away. And then boogie. So very clearly raining. We packed up our canoe. We're just trying to pack up our tent, sorry. We're going on the water in the rain. And look what's friggin' hanging on our fly line.
Look at it from this side, you can see its wings.
What is it? A moth?
Yeah.
So what do I just... Oh, he's hanging on. Oh.
It's freaking giant.
Oh, great. Now it's just on the tent. I don't know what to do. He's very strong. Because you're huge. That's why you're probably so fucking strong, because you're massive. We made it through the night and through the rainy morning. And it looks like the really bad rain has stopped with enough time for us to get on the water. I forgot to mention that because there's no fires allowed at Mckay's Harbour, and because it's raining and we don't have a tarp, we had no way to make coffee this morning. So we're doing this trip uncaffeinated.
Wet and no sleep.
We are just a few minutes away from the Lion's Head Harbour. We'll make our way in, drop our stuff off, and go to sleep.
So it's the next day. We made it back in the rain yesterday. It rained all day. We were very, very tired from not sleeping all night and therefore didn't film anything. But we are feeling much more rejuvenated now, and we are alive.
No bears, no drowning. You're welcome. It's a nice sunny day out today, so we actually had to reset up our tent and hang up all of our equipment because it was all just sopping wet. But I think I had a good time. If you had asked me at 5 o'clock in the morning, I was not having a good time. But we did it. We did it. I'm pretty proud of us. I wasn't able to caffeinate in the morning, which I'm sure I mentioned on camera 1,000 times. Yeah. Could you tell?
You were fun to deal with.
That's so rude. By fun, you mean...
Anyway. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we will hopefully be on the road again, or on the water again, maybe, you never know, and hopefully bringing some enjoyable content your way.
We're really trying, guys.
All right,
Bye.
thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all later.
No. We gotta come up with our own. Peace out, Girl Scout.